Ethereum value equivalent to 32,707 rands a coin. The present cost range, 32,363 33,207. The earlier day close, 32,890. The change was 183, 0.56%. Converse rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday. Walk, 27, cost 34,129 rands, high 36,518, low 31,740. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost 32,238 rands, high 34,495, low 29,981. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost 33,626 rands, high 35,980, low 31,272. Ethereum gauge on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost 32,801 rands, high 35,097, low 30,505. In multi-week Ethereum cost forecast on Friday. Walk, 31, cost 33,335 rands, high 35,668, low 31,002. Ethereum conjecture on Monday. April 3, cost 32,745 rands, high 35,037, low 30,453. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday. April 4, cost 35,595 rands, high 38,087, low 33,103. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday. April 5, cost 35,893 rands, high 38,406, low 33,380. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday. April 6, cost 34,600 rands, high 37,022, low 32,178. In about 14 days Ethereum conjecture on Friday. April 7, cost 34,680 rands, high 37,108, low 32,252. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday. April 10, cost 36,539 rands, high 39,097, low 33,981. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday. April 11, cost 39,355 rands, high 42,110, low 36,600. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday. April 12, cost 41,064 rands, high 43,938, low 38,190. Ethereum estimate on Thursday. April 13, cost 41,783 rands, high 44,708, low 38,858. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost forecast on Friday. April 14, cost 38,677 rands, high 41,384, low 35,970. Ethereum estimate on Monday. April 17, cost 38,084 rands, high 40,750, low 35,418. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday. April 18, cost 37,670 rands, high 40,307, low 35,033. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday. April 19, cost 37,457 rands, high 40,079, low 34,835. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday. April 20, cost 37,438 rands, high 40,059, low 34,817. In about a month Ethereum conjecture on Friday. April 21, cost 37,708 rands, high 40,348, low 35,068. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday. April 24, cost 36,095 rands, high 38,622, low 33,568. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday. April 25, cost 35,717 rands, high 38,217, low 33,217. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for Walk 2023. In the first place, cost at 29,363 rands. Exorbitant cost 36,518, while low cost 25,697. The middle value of cost 31,228. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 33,335. Change for spring 13.5%. Ethereum gauge for April 2023. In the first place, cost at 33,335 rands. Exorbitant cost 44,708, while low cost 30,453. The found the middle value of cost 35,573. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 33,794. Change for April 1st 0.4%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2023. At the outset, cost at 33,794 rands. Excessive cost 38,525, while low cost 33,485. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 35,452. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 36,005. Change for May 6.5%. Ethereum estimate for June 2023. First and foremost, cost at 36,005 rands. Exorbitant cost 44,690. While low cost 36,005. The found the middle value of cost 39,617. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 41,766. Change for June 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2023. First and foremost, cost at 41,766 rands. Exorbitant cost 41,766, while low cost 35,522. The found the middle value of cost 39,313. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 38,196. Change for July 8.5%. Ethereum gauge for August 2023. In the first place, cost at 38,196 rands. Exorbitant cost 38,196, while low cost 29,839. They found the middle value of cost 34,579. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 32,085. Change for August 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2023. In the first place, cost at 32,085 rands. Exorbitant cost 39,824, while low cost 32,085. They found the middle value of cost 35,303. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 37,219. Change for September 16.0%. Ethereum gauge for October 2023. To start with, cost at 37,219 rands. Exorbitant cost 37,219, while low cost 31,408. They found the middle value of cost 34,905. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 33,772. Change for October 9.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023. To start with, cost at 33,772 rands. Exorbitant cost 34,461, while low cost 29,953. They found the middle value of cost 32,598. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 32,207. Change for November 4.6%. Ethereum gauge for December 2023. Initially cost at 32,207 rands. Excessive cost 39,000.